YouTube. Long time no video, but like seriously, long time no video. It's been, I think, around 10 months since my last video, and it's not like I haven't been wanting to upload. I've been constantly thinking about it every time I get something or I have a video idea. I have ideas, it's just I've never had a proper, place to film, and my phone started dying on me, and that's how I film, and it just sucks. But people enjoyed my last video, how to wear Lolita as a teen, kid/teen, and I was genuinely surprised by that. So I thank you so much. So I decided, might as well film a video now. It's gonna be really quick, but I just got a package in the mail of a dream dress that I sort of got for Christmas. I guess you could consider it a Christmas gift, but I half paid for it. I saw it on Depop for like the longest time, so I just decided, might as well get it. Someone eventually is gonna get it, so I was like, just do it, just get it. So I'm like, okay. So it's finally here. I got it today. USPS sucks because it just left it out on the stoop where anyone could just take it, and around this time of year people like taking things, and that just sucks. But it's here. I sort of opened it up. I didn't look inside, but I opened up just for video's sake, just to make it go a bit faster. So this side doesn't have like my address or anything, so I'm keeping this to myself. My address is my address, but so I'm going to be opening this up now so I can show you the dress, and I am liking what I'm seeing so far. Whether or not I will be able to fully open it, let's see. So, there it is. You can tell the print, you already know what's about to happen. And let me see. Oh, okay, so let me put this down. So I have a letter, and it has my name on it. In case you haven't noticed, I don't know if it's backwards on camera, but I changed my YouTube name to Amine Hime from Pinky Maggie. I never liked Pinky Maggie. That was actually my old Club Penguin name, that since I was like 10. That's not cute. But oh, that's so cute. She got me this little pushing Christmas card, and it says, "Thank you so much. I hope you love this. I hope you love this dress more than me." So thank you so much to the Depop seller that sold me this dress. I really like this card. I'm gonna put it on my wall. So if you're familiar with Angelic Pretty, just Lolita in general, because this dress, you probably recognize the print when I did show it, but this is the head bow for it. If you're not getting any hints so far, you should be getting some now. The dress apparently, the head bow apparently has like some damage, like discoloration. I see what she was saying, but it's honestly not that big of a deal. Most of the dresses I get have like some sort of damage to them, but that just makes it cheaper for me, just try to hide it or fix it yourself. But as for the dress, if you still haven't gotten it with all the hints that I've shown, you put it all in plastic. Ooh, this might be noisy, I don't know. Let me get this out. Here it is. It's unzipped, but this is Milky Planet by Angelic Pretty, the JSK first release in yellow. This is my second yellow dress, but this is probably my second favorite yellow Lolita dress, right after Honey Cake. Everyone wants Honey Cake, and that thing's expensive, but thankfully this wasn't, that expensive for me. But it's super, super pretty, and it's gorgeous. I can tell it's been used. It's been very loved. It's wrinkled, but there's still glitter on the print. I don't know if I'm able to show the glitter at all. You see some of the sparkles. That is from the glitter. So we have, you know, the famous castle there. We have the rainbow. We have the cupcake Ferris wheel. We have the little carousel right there. And it's just, it's one of my favorite prints. And if you can't tell, what dress am I wearing? The dress that I'm wearing is also Milky Planet, just in case you can't tell. I'll try to show just a bit, just right there. Hardly, you know, can see it all, but sorry about my nasty thumb. But yeah, this is also Milky Planet, and this isn't, you know, my second Milky Planet. There's still more. Not only do I have the 1, which is the yellow, the 2, which is my sack, not even 3, because this is the special set in lavender, but 4. This is like the yellow one is my 4th Milky Planet. All that I'm missing from the first release is the pink colorway, which one of the people I used to talk to, one of her dream dresses was the pink one, so I always felt weird. I never wanted to get it because of that. I don't know if she's still interested, but if I got the pink one, that would like complete the whole, you know, first release Milky Planet set. There's a second release in pink, sax blue, lavender, and navy blue, but I never really cared much for it. I always liked the first release, more rainbowy. So yeah, just to show it just a bit again. This is it. It's a halter neck, so you tie it around. And here it is once again. You can tell that it isn't a replica because 1, the tag, and 2, the replica is famous for the castle to not have the white. It's hard to tell, but it's white instead of it being like cut out and being, you know, just yellow in the back. It's really noticeable on the black replica where the whole top, it's just missing. It's just black. It's just weird. It's a little scary. But no, these are all legit. I'm happy. So, you know, that can actually be a discussion for another video, replicas. But I do want to say thank you for watching. I want to do a bit of a Q&A. So if you have questions for me, whether it's about me and Lolita, my experiences, questions you might have, or, you know, just stuff about me, where I've been in the past, you know, year. But yeah, so like, subscribe if you like this video, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!